next Sunday at 11 AM is our shoebox service, so bring your shoeboxes along, bring some friends and family as well, and we're going to find out all about the work of Operation Christmas Child. And it's not too late for you to do a shoebox still. Pick up a flyer and a shoebox on your way out and bring it along next Sunday at 11 AM.
Me up when I'm so down, God, you lift me up when no one.
Christmas is on its way, and I'm sure you're really excited about it. You know, we want to make the most of Christmas as an opportunity here at Excel Church because it's a great chance for us to reach out to our local community. So we have got a number of events happening over the Christmas period which are going to help us to connect to our community and bring people in to our church. We really hope that you'll get on board with these things, buy yourselves tickets, but also buy tickets for other people, invite people along to these events, which you're going to find out about right now. So there you have it, that's our Christmas events for 2018. You know, last year we saw thousands of people literally come through our doors, through our grotto and all those other events as well. So please, please get on board, take some flyers, find out how you can actually get involved in serving over the Christmas period as well. And let's make this Christmas one to remember.
Lift me up when I'm so down, God, you lift me.
Our annual general meeting, the AGM, is coming up on the 28th of November, and it's an essential meeting to fulfil our duties to the Charity Commission at Excel Church, but it's normally only a short meeting. So if you're a partner here, then please make every effort to attend. That's 7:30 on the 28th. And if you're not a partner yet, but you're planning on being one, then please bring your forms back ASAP. The reports for the AGM are going to be emailed out to you really soon. So if we don't have an email address for you, then please go to the welcome desk and pick up your copy of the report from there. On Sunday the 25th of November, we're going to be joined by our good friends Andy and Rachel David. They're from World of Worth, and that is one of the missionary organisations that we support as a church. So they'll be coming to share about the work that they do. So please come along and support that meeting on the 25th of November.
And you love me. You just pick me up, yeah.
That wraps up Excel News for this week, but remember you can check out our website for details of anything that goes on here, or you can speak to our lovely welcome team as well. Hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back next Sunday.